Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Manifest the Finesse on YouTube. My name is Manifesting Gaia. That is my Twitter, TikTok, podcast, and Instagram. All the links are down below. And my affirmations list and audio rampage email is down below. And my YouTube membership channel with more exclusive manifestation content is down below. And my master manifestation workshop with more audios, rampages, sleep tapes, subliminals, boot camps, workshops, programs, all to help you get your desire that thousands of people are using is linked down below. And yes, I'm doing a rampage today. I haven't done rampages in a long time, I know, but I have a whole playlist on the rampages, so don't forget who started them. So if you guys have any rampages that you guys want to see or hear, comment them down below. But today we're going to do a rampage on you being the god of your reality, God state. So let's get into it. You are God of your reality. You are God of your reality. You are in full control of your reality. Your reality is yours to rule. You have the final say. You have the first say. You have the last say. Your desires are yours. You manifest everything with ease. You manifest everything instantly. Nobody has free will. Everyone and everything conforms to you instantly. In this moment, your desires are conforming to you instantly. Whenever you affirm, you manifest instantly. Whatever you visualize, you manifest instantly. Whatever you script, manifests instantly. The second you desire it, it manifests instantly. You are God. You are in full control. You are the creator. You are the ruler. You are the decider. You are the perceiver. You are the one who decides. Nobody can do anything without you deciding. Nothing can happen without your decision. Your life is only blowing up in the best way. Everything is working out for you. Everything goes your way. This is your reality. You are confident in your power. You have limitless power. You are limitless. Your potential is limitless. You can have anything that you want. Anything you desire is automatically yours. Your desires are chasing you. Your desires are seeking you. Your reality bends over backwards for you. Your reality conforms at lightning speed. You are the God of your reality. You are in full control of your reality. You are the operant power. You have the utmost power. You are the most powerful magnetic force in your entire reality. You are the most magnetic force in your entire reality. You are the one that decides. You are the one that always gets what they want. You manifest instantly. You are the most powerful manifester in your entire reality. You manifest everything left and right. You wake up to your desires. You go to sleep to your desires. Everything conforms instantly. Everything in your reality shows up the exact way that you want it. You are the best in your reality. You are the most powerful in your reality. You are the most magnetic, valued. You are chosen. You are loved. You are adored. You are irreplaceable. You are magnetic. You are irresistible. You are addicting. Your energy is addicting. Your aura is addicting. Your power is addicting. You are the number one person. You are treated like the celebrity of your reality. You are treated like the god of your reality because you are. Everything you want comes to you. People are bending over backwards. It doesn't matter if it takes one person or a million people. Everybody comes together to give you what you want. Your world shifts. Heaven and earth will shift for you to get what you want. Your world moves on autopilot 24/7. You manifest your desires on autopilot. You manifest money on autopilot. You manifest love on autopilot. You manifest health on autopilot. You manifest peace and abundance on autopilot. Everything you want, you have now. The second you desire is the second you have it now. Your reality is conforming now. Movement is happening now. You're receiving all of your desires now. You are never without your desires. You're never without what you want. You are always with what you want. You always have what you want right now. It is moving right now. It is shifting right now. It is conforming right now. Everything you want is yours right now. You are in the identity of being the God of your reality. You create miracles each and every single day. Miracles are normal for you. Your desires are normal for you. You are now in the reality where everything you want is yours. You are in your most successful timeline. You are shifting timelines. You're quantum jumping into your God state timeline. You know you're the God of your reality. You know you're powerful. Your power cannot be limited. You are a limitless being and you're in full control of your reality now. That felt good. Okay, that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, you can have anything you want in this universe. Nothing's too big, small, wide, or expensive because you are a god of your reality. I believe in you. You should believe in you. And I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.